Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into OAS Incorporated's latest report. Get ready because it's a bumpy ride filled with more financial twists than a pretzel factory. We're going to unpack their recent performance and see if this electric vehicle company has what it takes to keep the lights on or if it's just running on fumes. This report is dated March 28th, 2025. It's basically a snapshot of where the company was financially at the end of last year. Let's jump in and see what the numbers tell us. The company released a press release announcing their financial position as of the end of December. It includes results from both the last 3 months and the entire year of 2024. Keep that date in mind as we look at the financial figures. This is old news for us, but it still has relevance. Before we dive into financials, let's clarify what X actually is. They're a company that makes electric vehicles and related tech. Their stock trades under the ticker symbol XOS on the Nasdaq Capital Market. They also have warrants trading under XOSWW. Basically, warrants give you the right to buy the stock at a specific price in the future. This whole report is based on a press release issued by the company. Remember that press releases are designed to put a company in the best possible light, so we'll need to do a little digging to get to the truth. This is just a note that the report uses a specific coding language for financial data. It doesn't really affect us, so let's move on to what actually matters, the money. The report was signed by Liana Pogozian, the acting chief financial officer. The acting part raises a red flag. It could mean they're searching for a permanent CFO or that there's some instability in the finance department. Either way, it is not a sign of stability. Alright, with the formalities out of the way, let's look at what they are actually selling. I found no mentions of sales in the report, so it looks like things are not going well at all. This is very bad. When there are no sales mentioned in a financial report or press release, and all you see are legal stuff, it means there is likely nothing good to report. A Tembutrov Darklight here. A bunch of legal jargon essentially saying the company is following all the rules and regulations when it comes to sharing information with investors. No news here. Now it's time for our analysis, and frankly, there isn't much to analyze. This report raises serious concerns about the health and future of XOS. The lack of sales details is alarming and suggests the company is struggling to generate revenue. The acting CFO situation adds to the uncertainty. My assessment of Exos's direction is overwhelmingly negative. The absence of positive financial indicators, coupled with leadership questions, paints a concerning picture. It looks like Exos is struggling to stay afloat in the competitive EV market. Major risks include declining sales, potential cash flow problems, and the inability to attract a permanent CFO. In conclusion, this report is not a glowing endorsement of XOS. Investors should proceed with extreme caution and carefully consider the risks before investing in this company. The lack of information itself is already information. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.